Hi guys, here is how you can find the Wi-Fi password of the connected network in Windows 11. So there are two ways to find the Wi-Fi password. The easiest way is right-click on the Wi-Fi connection and go to Network and Internet Settings. In here, click on Properties, scroll down and click on View Wi-Fi Security Key. So here is the Wi-Fi password. Now let's know the other way of finding a password. We will be using Control Panel. So in the menu, type Control Panel. Here is it. Go to the Network and Internet and go to Network and Sharing Center. So here is your Wi-Fi connection. Anyway, click on Change Adapter Settings. So here is the Wi-Fi. Right click and click on Status. Now click on Wireless Properties, click on Security and click on Show Characters. And here is the Wi-Fi password. So this is how you can find the Wi-Fi password of your connected networks. Thank you very much.